Hey y'all, it's your girl Sasha E. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be doing a knotless feed-in braids for the first time. I am using Epic pre-stretched hair. I picked this hair up from my local beauty supply store and it was only 4 packs for $5. I used 5 packs of hair in all. I don't have a thread rack, so I used a ladder instead to separate this hair. This saved me so much time. I used 3 pieces of hair for each braid. So y'all know I gotta keep it real. I struggled so much with this hairstyle. I'm not a hairstylist. I do hair for fun. It's my hobby and I love it. When I started doing my sister's hair, I did get overwhelmed because I was struggling with gripping her hair. So I would do an entire braid only for the roots to be loose. But there is hope, y'all. If y'all struggled like me, just keep on going. It does get easier. So you're going to start by braiding your natural hair first, crisscrossing 3 strands. You're going to stop. You're going to take a piece of braiding hair, hook it with your pinky, then lay it on top of your hair and place the hair between your thumb and index finger. You're going to repeat these steps 2 more times until all 3 pieces of braiding hair is added to your hair. The reason why I'm stressing hooking the hair with your pinky is because this was my solution to not having a loose braid. My pinky kept everything in place with no slipping and sliding while I was feeding in her hair. So I'm doing the same thing here again, guys. You're going to start by just adding a little bit of that shine and jam to the roots. You're going to braid your natural hair first, crisscrossing 3 strands. You're going to stop. You're going to take a small piece of braiding hair, hook it with your pinky, then lay it on top of your hair and place the hair between your thumb and index finger. You're going to repeat these steps 2 more times until all 3 pieces of braiding hair is added to your hair. I wanted to show you guys how I parted her hair. I parted her hair ear to ear and also in a U-shaped pattern. When I got to the top of her head, I couldn't do a U-shape anymore, so I parted her hair vertically from front to back. Here's another close-up of me using my pinky to grip the hair before I feed it in. The method I use is braiding your natural hair first, crisscrossing 3 strands. You're going to stop and take a small piece of braiding hair, hook it with your pinky, then you're going to lay the braiding hair on top of your natural hair and place the braiding hair between your thumb and index finger. You're going to repeat these steps 2 more times until all 3 pieces of braiding hair is added to your natural hair. This is a prime example of someone getting their hair done and not knowing how to act. Y'all see her trying to do the Savage Challenge? Let her know how she did.
If not, then its boundaries, there must be something that would be involved in its existence, a certain space. And this is impossible. Infinity space probably exists with any boundary. Even assuming that there is more than one space and thus assumes the presence of the boundaries that tolerate the respective
She did have some flyaways after I completed her style, so I used my scissors to get rid of them as much as possible. I dipped her hair in hot water off camera, and then I added some tropical roots, moisturizing sculpting foam to set her hair and to also get rid of the additional flyaways. I think I did a great job for my first time. Yes, the hairstyle did cause me a little bit of frustration, but overall it turned out so nice and so neat. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And also leave in the comments how you think your girl did and if there's any other styles that you guys would like to see me do. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!